Okay, no one's watching, I'm just going to record this. Hi, I'm Nick and I own a small software business that produces apps for desktop. What I've done is taken this edX Building Mobile Experiences course to try to make my UX design more systematic. And I found the part on generative research and paper prototyping very useful already. My research told me that timesheets are very important and an unavoidable part of life, but filling in timesheets is boring and prone to errors. Good timesheet keeping can mean a subcontractor or consultant can bill 20% more time just by remembering to record time and documenting it correctly. How can we encourage good timesheet work? By using positive reinforcement and progress bars and scores. But before I started on that, my existing my user base had told me that I had to make the app relevant. I had to deal with security. I had to make sure the information was secure, and I had to make sure that users could set up their own activity types and job codes. I leveraged an existing application to provide the security and to let users set up their own job codes. Pardon me a moment. This is where we can define what activity types users can book time against. Right, let me show you the app in operation. Here you can choose the customer or client that you're working for, or maybe you can choose personal time or exercising. And here is where you can choose the activity you're carrying out. Well, you start the timer so, and sometime later you stop the timer. That time is now recorded. I'm going to switch to the simulator so that you can see this a little better. Use case I investigated was to allow the user to put in their username and password to make sure it's secure. And the second one was this that I just demonstrated, where you record the time. My users also need an app that is reliable, or they simply won't use it, so I am going to be using the testing plan devised by the App Quality Alliance. Right, thank you very much for watching. I've been Nick Ajdarian, and this is my app that I've developed for the Building Mobile Experiences course. I've shown you how my research informed the design of the app, and I've shown how that we're going to be using positive reinforcement within the UX to help users improve timesheet recording.